I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you a quick and easy window cleaning procedure using vinegar, a drop of soap, and a spray bottle. So what I do is I'll take some clean water, I'll pour in about 1/4 to 1/6 vinegar in it, and I'll put in 2 drops of liquid soap. I put that mixture into a handy all-purpose spray bottle. I can then take a window that's pretty dirty, very dirty. I spray a little bit of the cleaner on it. I have a squeegee that already has a rag installed on it. Pretty handy when you're doing jobs like these. And I'll take and push my mixture around on the glass. If it's real dirty, I'll do it 2 or 3 times just to get the dirt loosened up. And then using the squeegee, I can draw it off. I use a clean rag as I'm going along to clean where I stopped and started. Any rag will do. This just happens to be handy for me because I take it wherever I go when I'm doing these windows. And there you have it, just like that. We went from a pretty dirty window to a beautiful clean window in just a few drags of a squeegee, a little vinegar, a little soap, and a little bit of elbow grease. Just a quick tip on window cleaning from MrHardware.com.